Before I get started, if you think you need an education loan to study in Germany, you probably don't. This is because Germany is quite affordable when you compare it to other study abroad destinations, but of course, not everyone has the same financial background. So in this video, I'm going to explain everything about education loans in Germany, from what kinds of loans there are, where can you get them, what documents you have to submit them, and how much amount do you really need. There are basically two types of loans. First, secured loans. Secured loans is simply where you have to put up something valuable as a guarantee to get the loan. This can be things like money in fixed deposit or property papers for like a land or a house. Second are unsecured loans. Here you don't put up anything as collateral, but because the bank is taking more risk, the interest rate is higher as compared to secured loans. Also, for unsecured loans, as a student, you need someone to support you, like your parents. The amount of loan will depend on their income as well as their credit score. In general, secured loans are better because there is less interest rate as well as less processing fees from banks and other institutions. Also, for secured loans in some banks, you won't have to pay any interest rates during the period you are studying. Now there are various lenders which offers education loans for students going abroad. Public banks, private banks, and NBFCs or non-banking financial institutions. Now there are a lot of banks with varied interest rates for secured and unsecured loans. So I have made a Google sheet which has a list of all the banks and NBFCs with their interest rates. It's for free and you can check it with the first link in the description. Just keep in mind that the interest rate will depend on your collateral or your co-applicant's income and their credit score. And here's a list of tentative documents which you might need when you're applying for an education loan at an institution. First are your applicant's KYC documents, then the student's mark sheet of 10th, 12th and bachelor's. Third, the admission letter from a German university, the fee structure in case you have tuition fees, your co-applicant, mainly your parents' KYC and their income proof, your blocked account fund proof, and then in case of a collateral, you might need to show ownership documents for a residential plot or a commercial land, or fixed deposits under the name of you or your co-applicant. Now the amount you need to study in Germany is far less than what you need in US or Canada, and we made a detailed video on the complete cost of studying in Germany for both masters and bachelors. You can check it out here or in the first link in the description. For now, let's take the amount for public universities in Germany with no tuition fees. You need around 15 lakhs for your entire process of studying in Germany, from your blocked account to your visa, flight tickets, semester fees and everything else. If you have tuition fees at your German university, you can just add that amount on top of this. And depending on the bank, they will not only allow you to pay for your blocked account and educational fees, but also for your travel, accommodation, electronic expenses, and any other living costs. This really depends on your application and the bank, so don't hold me to this. Not all banks consider flight tickets as educational expenses, so do your research and physically visit these branches of banks and institutions to get a better idea of an education loan. So there you have it. Depending on how much money you need, you can easily get an education loan to study in Germany from any of these institutions. If you have any doubts regarding education loans in Germany, comment down below and I'll check them out. And if you want to study in Germany or learn German, there are free resources linked in the description which you can check out for free. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.